Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As From today onwards, we are starting the Mission 60 Plus video for all the SSLC students of Karnataka because some of them are thinking science is difficult, but not. As you already know, Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board, Malleshwaram has released four model question paper for each subject, and from you read this four model question paper, 40 plus is guarantee. 40 plus, if you give concentration, if you read properly, 60 plus is also guarantee. But for four videos, upcoming four videos will be model question papers, and the remaining, what are the questions not covered in the model question paper but that are important, that concepts we are discussing. Okay, first of all, we are discussing four model question paper for upcoming four videos. After that after that we are also discussing questions which are not completed in the, means which are not asked in the model question papers. Understood? Yeah. Today we are discussing model question paper 1. Model question paper 1 we are discussing. In this, first of all, you know that if you read physics, chemistry and biology PCB, here in physics we have all our guarantee questions, chemistry also, biology also. Before going to start this video, please subscribe to our channel and please share with your friends. They also make use of this video. First of all, we are discussing from physics part. In this physics, the first question is the SI unit of potential difference is. Potential difference SI unit they are asking. Okay, the SI unit of potential difference is volt. Volt is the potential difference. SI unit, ampere is for current, coulomb is for coulomb. Okay, volt is the SI unit of potential difference, ampere is the SI unit of electric charge, electric current, coulomb is for charge and ohm meter is for resistivity. Okay, and volt is the answer for that question. Here only you will get three questions. If they ask for SI unit of electric current, ampere, coulomb is for charge, ohm meter is for electrical resistivity. Okay, next question, the reciprocal of focal length of lens is. Focal length of lens is. Reciprocal of focal length of lens is means we will have P is equal to 1 by F formula. P means power of length. Reciprocal of focal length means this is the reciprocal of focal length and P is the power. Okay. Reciprocal of focal length of lens is. Reciprocal, this is the P is equal to 1 by S, and the options are the power of lens, radius of curvature of lens, equal to the sum of object distance and image distance, equal to the difference between the object distance and image distance, and the option is A. Okay, and the thing is, from physics you will be having two MCQ questions. Okay, you will be having two MCQ question, one from electric charge, another from radar ray optics, light reflection and refraction. From that you will having the questions. Okay, yeah, next moving on to the 2 marks question, 1 mark, it is 1 mark questions. In this 1 mark question, the first thing you want to understand is you want to read the, practice the symbols from electricity chapter. You want to practice the diagrams. The first diagram is dry cell. Dry cell, this is the diagram, and here it is a positive charge, it is a negative charge. This is battery. treated. Okay, next is rheostat. Rheostat means first you want to write the resistance, the simple take you want to write the resistance, after that arrow mark, and also you can show inner arrow to that resistance. Okay, yeah, dry cell as well as rheostat. First you want to practice all the symbols in that diagrams. Okay, I mean in that electricity chapter you will be having any two, that is 100% sure. Okay, first here you will get 1 mark, here you will get 1 mark. Next question, observe the following, observe the fall below figure. When switch is closed, does the B end of the solenoid attract N end of the bar magnet? Clarify the answer. Means when switch is closed, when switch is closed, does the B end of the solenoid attract the N end of the bar magnet? Clarify the answer one time. Means here when the switch is closed, B end of the solenoid attract the end of the bar magnet. No, when switch is closed, the B end of the solenoid behaves like the N pole. Okay, because there is a homogeneous poles repel it. Means here ripple happens. Okay, when the switch is closed, B end of the solenoid behaves like the N pole, and hence the homogeneous poles repel it. Next will be the 3 marks question. What precautionary measures have to be taken to avoid overload in domestic circuit? To protect from the overload in domestic circuit, what are the measures we want to take? First of all, there should be no fault in the electrical appliances. Many appliances should not be connected in the single socket. Okay, using a fuse of the appropriate rating in an electrical circuit. The leave and neutral wires in the circuit should not come in direct contact. Insulting coating on the wire should not be damaged. Okay, means if you are placing any wires or any fuse, means that should not be connected to a single socket. Okay, after that, inserting coating on the wire should not be damaged. Okay, if we are placing electrical appliances, there is not short fault, there is nothing fault in that. Okay, we want to make a note of that one also. We want to write minimum 4 points, and each point carry half marks. Okay, each point carry half marks. Next question, it is 100% important question. 100% important question. Please focus on this. Mention the factors on which resistance of a conductor depend. Resistance of the conductor depends on the length of the conductor. Length of it depends on the length of the conductor, area of cross section of the conductor or thickness, nature of the conductor, temperature of the conductor. Each will carry half marks. Okay, each will carry half marks. Next, observe the given figure, name the angle of deviation and identify its value. We want to identify its value. First of all, angle of deviation will be observed here. This is HGF and here it is 38 degree. Understood? Yeah. For both you will having 1 mark. Next is 3 mark question. Mention any two symptoms of myopic eye. How can this defect be rectified? And next sub question B, what is power of accommodation of eye? First of all, symptoms of myopic eye. Symptoms of myopic eye means curvature of the eye lens is high, eye bulb is longer than usual, and it will be defect be rectified by using a concave lens. Next, power of accommodation of eye, it is important question. Power of accommodation of eye is important question. The ability of eye lens to adjust its focal length while seeing the near and distant object, means the ability of an eye lens to adjust its focal length. Okay, next is experiment based question. We have experiment based question. Explain an activity of obtaining magnetic field lines around a bar magnet using a compass needle. Here we want to understand generally that means we want to take a opposite direction. Here we want to take one of the white paper and we want to place a bar magnet middle of the white paper. After that we want to place the magnetic needle close to the north pole of the bar magnet. After that, south pole of the campus needle, we want to needle will point to the north pole. After that, we want to put a dark dot mark on the paper in the direction of pointed north pole of the campus needle. After that, campus needle is now to be placed where it is south pole point. After that, we want to once again put a dot mark on the paper in the new direction pointed by the north pole of the campus needle. Like that, we want to repeat the step till the campus reaches the south pole of the bar magnet. Okay. Next, or means we can answer that or this. Then this also one of the experiment question, that is experiment that shows a current carrying conductor when kept in the magnetic field experiences a mechanical force. First of all, we want to take a small aluminum rod using two connective wires suspended to the horizontal from a stand. Take a horseshoe magnet and place the aluminum rod in between the north pole and south pole of this magnet. Like that, connect the aluminum rod. After that, now pass the we want to connect the aluminum rod in a series to a battery key as well as a rheostat. Now pass the current through the conducting wire, then the rod displaces towards the left. If the direction of the current is reversed, then the rod displaces towards the right. If the direction of the magnetic field is reversed, then the aluminum rod display again towards the left. Like that. After that ray diagram, you will having 100% ray diagram. That's why you want to observe ray diagram textbook. You will get from the textbook itself. That's why you want to observe textbook. Okay. Draw a ray diagram to show the formation when an object is kept beyond C in front of concave mirror. Beyond C in front of concave mirror. Mention the nature and position of the image formed. Here, first of all, they are asking concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. They are asking in front of the B, means C. Here the object is placing, and here C is nothing but center of curvature. The position of the image will be between C and F, that is B. Okay, C between, that means beyond C means between F and C we have a object. Okay, and there we will form a, here between this, here it is a object that will be like this, means that is real and inverted, real and inverted. For the diagram you have 2 marks. Okay, for position of the image you have half marks, nature of the image you have half marks. 2 marks plus, mean 1 marks plus 2 marks, you will having 3 marks. Next question, it is a 4-mark question, problematic part. Okay, you will having 4 marks and you want to attend 2 questions. You want to attend 2 questions, 2 fours are 8. Observe the below table. Observe the below table. Which of the below listed electrical appliances consumes more energy? Here electrical appliances is TV. Electric power is 250 watt. Time of use is 24 hours. Next is toaster 1200 watt 1 hour. Next B question, 2 ohm and 4 ohm resistor are connected in parallel if 6 ohm resistor is used in place of 4 ohm. Find the difference between the total resistance obtained in both of this arrangement. First of all, we want how much total power they consumed. First of all, if we want to find that, we have a formula, E is equal to P into time. Means we have a formula. We have a formula, E is equal to P, power into time. The given power they consumed is 250 watt. Okay, and time is 4 hours. Time is 4 hours. 4 hours, 250 into 4, that is 1000 watt per hour. Then if we convert that into kilowatt, that becomes 1 kilowatt. Okay, next, like the total power used by the toaster, means we want to write P into T, same formula for both here. The thing is, we want to write the power that given in the, okay, here the power is given 250. This is P and this is T. This is P and this is T. Multiply this, you will get the answer. Okay, this is E. E is equal to P into T. If we multiply that, we will get the answer 1000 here, like that. Okay, next is 1200. We will get, because only 1 hour, we will get 1200. Then if we convert this into kilowatt, we will get 1.2 kilowatt per hour. Next question, observe 2 ohm 4 ohm resistor are connected in parallel. If 6 ohm resistor is used in place of 4 ohm, then find the difference between the total resistance. Means they given R1 is equal to 2 ohm, R2 is equal to 4 ohm, then RP1 is equal to question mark. Means they given 1 by R1 is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. If we take, we will get 2 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, that is 3 by 4. That is 1 by RP1 is 3 by 4. Like that we can change it, 4 by 3 means we will get 1.33. If a resistor of 6 ohm, if we take 6 ohm is used instead of 4 ohm, instead of 4 ohm, if we take 6 ohm, instead of 4 ohm, if we take 6 ohm, we will get R1 is equal to 2, R2 is equal to 6. Therefore, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. Therefore, 3 plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, 3 plus 1 divided by 6, 4 by 6, that can be replaced by 6 by 4. We will get 1.5. Means the difference between the total resistance obtained in both of that will be 1.5 minus 1.3, and the answer is 0.177. Means we want to do RP2 minus RP1. First, by using parallel formula, Rp1 is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 divided by Rp2 is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This formula we want to use. Next, or if you attend that, next, or you can attend next question. Next question is also same, but here you having a statement. That's it. A 350 watt bread toaster is used 6 hours, means here P is equal to 350, T is equal to 6 hours. Next, a 250 watt iron box is used 4 hours per day, means here P is equal to 250, T is equal to 4 hours. If these appliances are used for 30 days, if they are used for 30 days, means 6, and the timing, the days also they are giving, the day also they given, day is giving 30 days for both. Then calculate the total cost energy consumption at the rate of rupees 4 for 1 kilowatt per hour. First, you want to multiply for bread toaster in 30 days, that is 350 into 6 into 30. After that, for iron box, 250 into 4 into 4 into 50, mean 30. If you calculate for both, you will get a one value. After that, you want to do what? From this, what you get for final answer, that should be added. After that, after adding, multiply it by 4, means we will get total value of energy consumed. Okay, first you want to multiply with power, time and the day. Power, time and the day in both iron box as well as bread toaster. After that, add that what you get in the bread toaster, total what you get in the total energy in the bread toaster after in the power in a iron box. After that, add that 63 plus 30, you will get a 93. Multiply 93 with 4, you will get a 372 rupees. Next question, a fan having power 880 watt is connected to a source of potential difference 220 volt. Here V is equal to 220 volt, power is equal to 880 watt. Calculate the electrical current. You want to calculate the electrical current and electrical resistance of that circuit. Okay, your P is given, V is given. You want to find out the electrical current. R is equal to find out. First of all, P is equal to power formula. P is equal to V into I. Here P is given, V is given, I is not given. I is equal to P by V. Here I is equal to I is equal to P by V. Therefore, P is given 880, 22, 20 here, 0, cancel. Here, 22 ones are 4. That means I is equal to 4 ampere. You will get. After that, resistance formula V is equal to I into R. This is Ohm's law. Okay, from this we want to find out R is equal to V by I. Here we have a how to means, wait, if you want to know how to write the formula, please use this technique, V into I into R. If you want a R, V by I. If you want a R, please keep R aside, V by I. If you want I, V by R. If you want V, I into R. Okay, how? Like this you want to do. If you want V, I into R, like this multiply. If you want V, I into R. If you want R, V by I. Okay, like this you want to take. Like that here we got a V is 220. We have V is equal to 220 and I is 4. Therefore, R is equal to 55 ohm. Okay, this is the first question from the 4 marks. Next question, important 100%. State the laws of refraction of light or a reflection of light. You can they will ask any one. Okay, restate the laws of refraction 2 marks. Mention two difference between convex and concave mirror 2 marks. If we come to the refraction of light, the first law states that the incident ray and the incident ray, refracted ray and the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. And the second law, ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant for the given light of a given color and for the given pair of media. You can practice two laws of refraction as well as the reflection. You will get any one question for 2 marks. This is 100%. Okay. Next, convex and concave mirror. Convex mirror as well as convex lens difference. Convex mirror reflects the light. Convex lens refracts the light. Convex mirror diverges light. Convex lens converges light. Convex mirror always forms virtual and erect image. Convex lens generally form real and inverted image. Okay, that should be known. Next, coming to the chemistry part. Okay, next coming to the chemistry part. First of all, in the physics, what you want to focus, let's discuss that. What are the concept you want to focus main? Okay, from each of the chapter, the first concept you want to focus is symbols from the electricity. You will get 2 symbols for 1 mark. After that, formulas you want to focus, and definitions of potential difference, okay, current, charge. Okay, next is from magnetic field lines, properties of magnetic field lines you want to observe. Experiments will be asking from that only. Okay, After that, you want to focus on the solenoid concept. Okay, solenoid concept you want to focus on. Next, coming to the light reflection, there you can focus ray diagrams. Okay, and then eye diagram is there or not? I ray diagram, ray diagram you want to focus. Then laws of refraction as well as reflection. Okay, you want to focus on that. Next, after that, the thing is myopic eye, hypermetropic, myopic, like that, power of lens, power of accommodation of eye. Okay, that concept you want to focus. After the difference between convex mirror, convex lens, concave mirror, concave lens, like that difference. After that, resistance, resistivity. Okay, the question and answers. After that, factors affecting resistance of the conductor. Factors affecting the conductor. Ohm's law. Ohm's law, you want to focus on it. Okay, that is the important questions you want to focus. Next, coming to the chemistry. Chemistry also, you have important diagrams. Okay, question and answers as well as the differences. First of all, from chemistry, you're having three MCQ question. Let's discuss the first question. The constituent metals in a brass are, constituent metal in the brass are copper, zinc, aluminium and tin, copper and tin, zinc and aluminum. Zinc and aluminum is there. Aluminum and tin is there. Copper and zinc is there. Copper and zinc is the answer. Next question, it is formula, diagrammatic question. Analyze the experiment expressed in the above figure. The molecular formula of the solution is Y. Means the formula of this will be Y. Formula is Y. That gives a yellow color precipitate. That will give a yellow color precipitate. Okay, that Y solution will give yellow color precipitate by reacting with the Ki solution. Another product that forms here respectively, that which product will forms here. First of all, this will be a problem of PbI2, okay, and potassium nitrate. Here this will be there, PbI2 and potassium nitrate formula. Okay, this will be a potassium nitrate and this will be a lead. Okay, PbI2 and KNO3 is the formula. Next question. A property of carbon that is responsible for giving rise large molecule is tetravalency, catenation, inflammability, allotropism, and the answer is catenation. Okay. Next is 1 mark question. It is important 1 mark questions. In the 1 mark question, you want to focus on the functional groups, structural formulas and everything. Okay, applications. First of all, the question is, how do you detect the base using blue litmus paper? How do you detect base using blue litmus paper? First of all, blue litmus paper means, from blue litmus paper it will convert to red, means that will be a acid. If it convert red to blue means that will be a base. Okay, to check whether it is base or not, we want a base solution. To check it is acid or not, we want a acid solution. That is the answer. The color of litmus paper does not change when dipped in a basic solution. How do you detect a base using litmus paper? Okay, next, what are the application? What are the application of thermite reaction? First of all, to join a railway tracks, thermite reaction will be useful, and to join a broken machine parts, we want a thermite reaction. Okay. Next, write the structural formula of an unsaturated carbon compound containing 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms. First of all, you want to write a 4 carbon atom, and ketone functional group. Ketone functional group, 4 carbon atom, here H, here H, here H. After that here is also H, and it is ketone group bond, and here it is H and H. This is the unsaturated carbon compound containing the 4 carbon atoms as well as 1 ketone group. Next question, it is 100% question for your examination. 100% question for your examination, that is arrangement of apparatus used to show the reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid. Label the hydrogen gas bubbles. Means there, that's it. Next question, here it is a question. We want to answer the question. It is based on the pH cycle. 4 solutions are there: A solution, B solution, C solution, D solution. Here showed pH, here it is 5, 2, 7, 11. Okay. First of all, we want to take which has more hydronium ions, which has high hydronium ion, which is neutral and which is weak acid. First of all, the thing is neutral is C. Why? Because that is already known. And the weak acid is, which is the weak acid? 5 is the weak acid. From 1 to 6 it is acid. From 8 to 14 it is base. From 1 to 6 it is weak acid. And a hydronium ion is B solution. It is not a hydronium ion. Next, explain the formation of sodium chloride molecule by the transfer of electrons. How the sodium ion or sodium chloride will be formed. Okay, first of all, we want to explain the formation. Explain the formation of sodium chloride molecule by the transfer of electrons. First of all, sodium atom loses its one valence electron and become cation, that is Na plus. After that, chlorine atom gains. Okay, after that what happens? Chlorine atom will gains the electron. Chlorine atom will gains the electron. Cl plus electron gives Cl minus. Here Na gives Na plus 1 electron will be losing. Here 1 electron will be gaining. Okay. After that, these two oppositely charged atoms attract each other and will be held together by a strong electrostatic force or force of attraction between them to sodium chloride molecule. Okay, you can write this much or you can write the formula. You can write whatever you want. Next, what are the product obtained when aluminum metal react with a steam? Aluminum react with a steam means you will get aluminum oxide as well as hydrogen gas. Next, explain the formation of magnesium chloride molecule by the transfer of electrons. That is also same question. There we discussed about the sodium. Here we are discussing about the magnesium. Here magnesium will lose its 2 valence electron and become a cation Mg2 plus. After the 2 chlorine atom will gain an electron. Okay, means 2 electrons will be losing here. Next, the question is, how is pure zinc obtained from a zinc? That is by the reducing zinc oxide with a coke. Write the structure of N-butane. N-butane as well as isobutane. What is esterification? How ethane is obtained from ethanol. Okay, this is N-butane, means 4 carbon and a hydrogen connecting to that 4 carbon. Here it is isobutane. Next, what is esterification reaction? Esterification reaction means alcohol as well as carboxylic acid react to form an ester. That reaction we are calling as a esterification reaction. And when ethanol is heated with a 443 Kelvin with excess concentrated sulfuric acid, we will get an ethanol, and that will go a dehydration to form a ethene. Then a dot structure of nitrogen as well as propane molecule we will get. After that, cleansing action of soap on dirt. It is very important. Okay. Next, moving on to the biology. Here we have 3 MCQ. First question, an enzyme that secretes the pancreas to digest protein, that is trypsin. In a zygote, there are 24 pairs of chromosomes. Then the number of chromosomes present in the gametes, 24 itself. Okay, if we have 24 chromosomes means 24 are the gametes, I mean 24 chromosomes that are present in the gamete. Next, observe the given figure. It is a synapse figure. Then the name of the part X. We want to part the name X. Here we have axon and it is dendroid and this is synapse. Here chemical signal will be transmit, means transmits chemical signal generated at the axon terminal to the dendrite, means it will share to the dendrite. Next question. What is the importance of xylem tissue in plant? What is the importance of xylem tissue in the plant? First of all, it carry water from the roots to the other part. It carry water from the root to the other part. Next question. Observe the table below showing different forms of pea plant. Here you have green, middle of stem, yellow and top of stem A. Green will be taken as capital G, middle of stem is flower position capital A. Yellow will be small g, top stem will be a small a. Write the indicator of the triad given having green seeds and a flower at the top of the stem. Means green seed at the power of top of the stem means capital G, capital G, capital A, capital A. Means this will be one of the thing we will get if we make this. After that we will get G and this G two times G G A. Okay, that we will get. In the how is the binary fission in amoeba differs in from budding in hydra? First of all, in amoeba mother cell will divide to form a two daughter cell. First of all, if this is a amoeba, it will cut half, means divide it to two parts. After that it form a two daughter cell. After the bud grows repeated cell division, it separate from the mother body and grow into an independent organism. Next, name the following 2-mark question. Structure that prevent collapsing of air passage part of trachea, means that is a ring of cartilage. Nitrogenous chemical, nitrogenous chemical that are separated from the blood by the kidney, that is urea as well as uric acid. In which of the following excess glucose is stored in a plant and animal? That is in the part of starch, and in animal that is glycogen. Name the structure that humans small intestine that absorb digest food, villi. Next question. Why does the stem of growing plant bend towards the light? When a growing plant detects light, hormone called axin will synthesize at the cells of shoot tip. When light is coming one side of the plant, axin diffuses toward the shady side of the shoot. Or you can attend difference between central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system include the brain and spinal cord, but here peripheral contain cranial nerves as well as spinal nerves. In the central nervous system, they receive information from all part of the body and integrate it. From peripheral, the peripheral nervous system facilitate communication between the central nervous system and the rest of the body. Next, ozone layer. The question from ozone layer is compulsory. Next, it is 3 mark. Ozone layer is a boon to the life on the earth. Justify, because by blocking harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun, they will harmful for our life. Next, this is from environment. Organism of which trophic level in a food chain are the most affected by biological notification, I mean magnification. Organism at a higher trophic level means the accumulation of harmful chemicals increases as move to the next trophic level in a food chain. Next, determination of the height of the plant by genes, means genes secrete a specific enzyme. Okay. Next, determination of the sex of the male child in humans. One odd pair of a sex chromosome found in father, they are X and Y chromosome, but mother has only XX chromosome and father has XY chromosome. The child received X haploid chromosome from father, also received X chromosome from mother. Therefore, XX pair of chromosome represent girl child, XY represent male child. Means that will depend on the father. If father will give X chromosome, that will be a girl child. Sorry. If the okay, If the egg is not fertilized, it will live for about 1 day. Thick and spongy lining of the uterus slowly breaks and comes out through the vagina as blood and mucus, and that happens almost every month. Okay, next, or you can also write this question. Write any two difference between self and cross pollination. Self pollination means transfer of pollen from stamen to stigma of a same flower. Cross pollination means transfer of pollen from stamen to stigma of a another flower. Self means for same flower, stick. Cross means for another flower. Okay, and in this self pollination we have more similarity, but in cross pollination we have more variation. In self pollination there is not necessary of media, but in cross pollination necessary of media. Next, B, what are the changes that occur in flower after fertilization? After fertilization, zygote will divide several times inside the egg, producing an embryo. Petal, sepal, stamens, pistil, and stigma fall off easily. Egg develops a thick layer that slowly changes into a seed. Ovary grows rapidly, matures, and ripens. And the C question, mention any four advantages of vegetative propagation. They produce flower and fruit quickly. This method is useful in plants that do not produce seed. They are genetically similar to the parent plant. They produce high yielding disease plant, free plant. A large number of plant can be grown in less time, less space at lower cost. Okay, means these questions are 2 marks. Okay, that's why this is a 5 mark question. You can answer any one of the question from this. Okay, this is the model question paper 1. Please for practice this model paper. Please, I am going to tell you that please solve 4 model question papers. If you solve this 4 model question paper, you can easily score 50 plus, because except this question you can't get any other question for your final exams. Okay, because the government, the KCEB, as making you easy to pass well in the exam, score well in the exam by observing this question papers itself. Okay, except this 4 model question paper question, you can't get any questions. Okay, from each model question paper at least 20 marks is compulsory. Okay, therefore from 4 model question paper we can score easily. We can not even pass, we can score. Okay, that's why practice it. For next 3 model question paper, please follow our subscribe to our channel. We will coming with next model paper 2 and model paper 3 and 4. After that, remaining application based question and experiment based questions. Till there, stay tuned to Excel Academy SSLC. Thank you. Bye bye.